Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're gonna be making my F90 a lot louder with the Dahler exhaust. I'm over here at the shop, as you guys can see. Special shout out again goes to George at Dahler and also Matt at Your Empire for letting me use the shop to install this exhaust for you guys. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get it. All right, everyone, so you just heard the sound clips from the Dahler axle back exhaust. I think it sounds pretty good. So the tone of this exhaust is a little bit deeper, I think, than the stock exhaust. The stock exhaust has 3 small mufflers, where this exhaust is more like a traditional 1 muffler exhaust. I would say that the tone, like I said, is a little bit deeper. It doesn't give as much rasp as the OEM exhaust, and I think it sounds pretty good. You know, I don't really have many issues with the Dahler exhaust. Now, this also has the came equipped with the Dahler valve controller, which was an add-on. So it does allow you to fully control the exhaust flaps. It's been noted that BMW OEM exhaust flaps, they don't open all the way, even in Sport Plus, unless you're under load and full throttle. So if you're at a standstill, it isn't going to open fully for you. So the Dahler valve controller allows you to be able to open to exhaust anytime you want, any place, in any mode as well. All right, so the version that I have currently on my F90 M5 is the prototype version. This is one of the first ones that they built for the F90 M5. So right now they're trying to perfect things. Everything that I have encountered with the exhaust seems to be very, very well. They gotta make 1 or 2 tweaks and then it'll be ready to go and hit the market. All right, so whenever this thing hits the market, it'll be perfected for the F90. So I was kind of the test dummy guinea pig for you guys to make sure you guys are getting the 100% quality product that Dahler always promises. So this exhaust, you can get it with 2 different types of tips. The ones that I have on the car right now are, oh wow, 18 will almost hit somebody. But so the ones I have on the car right now are the Dahler Red Shadow tips, which gives you a shadow outline of the Dahler wording on the exhaust tip in carbon, or you can get just a regular carbon finish as well. So he will have some various exhaust tips depending on what your style and taste is, and you can choose whichever one's going to work best for your taste and your car build. So there isn't any pricing available on this axle back system as of yet. When the pricing hits the market, I will update you guys and let everyone know what the pricing is going to be. All right, all in all, I think the Dahler exhaust is a competitive system within the exhaust market. There's tons of options for the F90 M5 out there, and I think this system will be able to compete well with the other axle back systems out there. All right, so what do you guys think about the Dahler exhaust? You heard all the clips. If there's any clips that you guys want to hear, or any other different variances of clips you want to hear, let me know down in the comments below. Special shout out again goes to the Dahler team, George, and everyone else that was involved in this process. You guys let me know, what do you want to hear? If there's any clips you particularly want to hear, you want to hear any tunnel pulls, anything like that, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get those clips over to you guys. All right, so that's gonna be all I have today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the sound clips, and I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Peace.